Introducing Edverse, the online platform revolutionizing the way we meet, teach, and learn. Start an instant meeting in seconds. Invite up to 50 guests and say goodbye to the hassle of physical meetings. Presenters can display their screen, show videos, and use our virtual whiteboard to bring ideas and theories to life. Explain complex concepts using our 3D models and learn better with more interactive features such as quizzes and queries. Edverse brings a new level of interaction to the table. With Edverse, you're not just a face on the screen. Your avatar allows you to move around and interact with a virtual 3D space custom made for your needs, making the experience feel more natural and engaging. Edverse also features spatial audio, making it feel like everyone is in the same room. Have breakout sessions and private discussions by simply walking to your own space. Join the future of meetings and start your next lecture or class with Edverse today.